Not every cough needs a suppressant. It's a common misconception that all coughing is bad. In fact, coughing is our body's natural defense mechanism. It clears out irritants, mucus, and even pathogens from our airways. When you catch a cold, that cough is helping you heal. Suppressing it can actually prolong your illness. Now, if your cough is dry and persistent, that's when a suppressant might help you find relief. But if it's productive, meaning you're bringing up phlegm, let it be. Instead, focus on staying hydrated and using a humidifier. Remember, a cough can be annoying, but it's also a sign that your body is working hard to protect you. So, next time you cough, think twice before reaching for that cough syrup.